Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I have something special for you in this video. This is 2006 Toyota Matrix and I'm doing inspections. In the last video I checked the engine air filter and there is reusable K&N filter. It's very nice and clean, but it's oily, right? The way it's supposed to be oiled and to catch the particles. Many of you will say, I will never use it because the oil will actually go on the MAF sensor and mess it up and make problems. Let's go and check that MAF sensor if it's really full of oil and in which condition it is. And I'm definitely interested in which shape this MAF, which is right here, right, will be. Why? Because that K&N filter, it's beautifully clean and it's oiled. Just touching it, I made all these prints of the oil on this housing. So I wonder if that oil transferred on that sensor. Now how we will remove it, right? Very simple. We are using very small Phillips screwdriver. It's not a standard but a smaller size. And carefully undo two small Phillips screws. Sometimes they are stuck there, so don't strip those mini heads. Also don't drop it, right? I don't even have to unclip it from that electric connector, right? So this is the second screw. If I want to show it to you in close-up, I will unhook it. I'm just saying it's not necessary for that inspection. So I push on the connector, right? Put it on the side. And now I can lift this MAF sensor. And I really wonder, we will see together the detail. And of course, sure enough, as expected, right? This is the side towards to the air filter. This is the side towards to the engine. I wish you can see how this wire, that part inside there, how it's shiny on this side and how dirty it is on the other side. Right here, that ball, right? That's completely like a matte surface, yet this one it's perfectly clean and shiny. And that's because this is the flow of the dirty air. It's hitting this side, right? So this definitely confirms that some oil is being sucked inside. It sticks to the surface. And yeah, that's not a reason to throw away or completely discount the K&N filters, but that just means you will have to do the MAF cleaning maybe more often. And I'm only inspecting this vehicle. This is first time I see it, so I will just carefully put it back, right? Carefully install those mini Phillips screws, right? I can show you the detail. They are very small, easy to lose, so always handle this carefully. I will put them back, not over torquing it, right? And I will put it in the comments for the owner that I highly recommend to do the MAF cleaning. Not just because it's dirty, but also this vehicle has kind of weird idle, right? One of the reasons could be MAF, sure, but guess what? One of the reasons also could be the throttle body, which is right here. And I will do that right now. And of course that will be in different videos. So thanks for watching. Have a great day and be subscribed so you don't miss that. See you later, my friend.